Hey guys, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a Vineyard Vines haul as well as rant. So as you know, probably from watching the news or just being up to date with fashion, Vineyard Vines did a collaboration with Target last weekend and it kind of got crazy. A lot of people are complaining about the collaboration because they did not have a surplus of items. And the real reason they're probably pissed is probably the same as mine, with people buying the stuff from the collaboration and reselling it on eBay for twice as much. Literally, it's so obnoxious to me. So they're selling a dress at Target for $35, then they're taking it, buying it, selling it on eBay for like $70, $80. I understand it's smart marketing because supply and demand, you know that these collaborations, they're not going to put a lot of merchandise out because really the only reason they're doing it is to hype up the brand and to hype up shopping at Target. But if you know anything about fashion, you know that they don't do a lot of product because the brand itself doesn't want people to know that they have gone down to a certain price point. So the people that shop at Vineyard Vines aren't necessarily going to be shopping at Target. So they're actually reaching out to these Target shoppers and saying, hey, this is what our stuff looks like, come shop our company. And most of the Target customers probably aren't going to go over there because their stuff ranges for like $100 to $200 a dress, whereas the Target version, it's like $35. So really they're only reaching some of Target customers, but Target's really getting a hype because they're saying come shop Target, we've got higher end brands sometimes. Just like the Lily Pulitzer collaboration, a lot of people were pissed off because it sold out like that. And they said that stuff was going to be available at Target stores and online. But not everything was being sold in the stores, let's be frank. And not everything was being sold online. So my Target didn't have really any of the clothing, but you wouldn't know that until after you waited for it to go live. Waited until 10, then waited until midnight because normal release for a thing, yeah. They went live at 3. So after waiting until midnight, I gave up, woke up at 6:30. They were sold out of every item that I wanted. Looked online, my Target didn't have anything besides like the stupid plates and ended up going to my Target. The first thing I grabbed was this throw blanket. It's super cute. Wasn't originally going to get it just because I was interested in other things in the collaboration and didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on this collaboration. So I got this throw. It's got the cute little logo whale on it and the material is not super soft. It's a throw blanket, so it's exactly what I expect from a throw blanket, but I wouldn't pay more than $30 for this. This is already selling on eBay for $70 plus. Another thing that made me mad was watching the news and them saying, oh, if you didn't get something from the Vineyard Vines collection, just, check back with Target for the returns. No, they're not going to return it. They're going to sell it on eBay because they can get twice as much money than they would from returning it at Target. Anyway, this isn't a dress that I originally wanted from the collection, but it is still super duper cute. It's got the navy and white lines and it's got the tiny little logo whale on it. It is a higher neckline, which I don't normally go for, but it did end up looking pretty cute. Plus, it's got pockets. Who can go wrong with pockets? The back has a short zipper closure to help you get into it, and it's just a really nice feature. It's made out of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So it does have quite a bit of stretch, so it is an overall comfy dress. It is not see-through, so points for them, and this was only $30, so well worth the money. The next thing I got was from the next Target I went to. It wasn't necessarily the closest Target, but I saw some things that they had that I wanted, like the softy shorts with the whales on them that were super cute, but the quality was not there, guys. You could get better quality from Costco shorts, and I know you're basically buying them a little bit more expensive because they have the whales on them, but it just, I wasn't about it. So instead I picked up this diaper bag, and no, I don't have a child, but it was just too cute to pass up. So it's got the clips if you do have a baby to hook it up to your stroller, so that's really nice. It's also got the backpack straps and regular straps there. It's got this cute whale detail, but it's also super classic. So even if I hold on to this until I have a kid, this will still be in style. So it's got this nice open closure. This first pocket is insulated. Really good for snacks. Love my snacks. It's got the 2 pockets on the side with the ruching detail, so you can stretch them pretty well. It comes with the changing pad, but you can also use it as a placemat if you don't have a baby. It has a zipper on this side, just like a standard like purse zipper. It also has the mesh pockets, which I was really interested in. It's not just a deep pitted hole. So you could put like your utensils and all of that if you're wanting this to be a real picnic basket backpack. And the straps are adjustable, which is awesome. So this was $45. Another thing that I ended up getting, well, I didn't get it, my sister got it, was the navy blue logoed shirt. It's got the cute little saying on the back, and it's just the standard shirt. And yeah, she got that one because 4th of July is coming up, so why not? And that really concludes our haul. So when you are shopping collaborations at different stores such as Target, just remember that the stuff isn't going to be as high quality as the actual brand, because when they make the stuff, it's made for Target. So Target normally has super good quality clothes as it is, like no complaints here, but I will say you are paying a cheaper price because it's Target, but you're also paying a higher price because it's a collaboration. But you're basically paying for the brand itself, which when you shop Vineyard Vines, that's really what you're paying for too. You're paying like $200-300 for a dress from Vineyard Vines, whereas at Target you're paying $35. So it's not the same quality, but it's literally just to create a hype for their brand and for Target. So it's a win-win situation in a branding perspective, and for shoppers' perspective as well, because they can say, oh my gosh, I own a Vineyard Vines backpack. Do not be a sucker and shop on eBay for the collaboration stuff. Even if you really wanted that cute dress, it's probably not worth it. I tried on this dress and it literally felt like tissue paper. I wouldn't even pay $35 for it. It was just bad. So the dresses that I originally wanted, I wouldn't pay the $70 or even $35 not knowing how it felt or anything like that. If I was still buying it from Target, then I'd have the return policy to fall back on. But since you're buying it from eBay, you normally don't have a return policy, so you own that. That's my rant for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos and content from me, and go follow my blog, MaddieAutumnFakes.com, if you haven't already. There I talk about fashion and lifestyle advice. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!